it's me. Who else would it be? So I'm back with another review. I have Funyuns, the ramen hot spicy chicken ramen flavor. So it's already open because, you know, somebody wanted to see what it tasted like, and I was taking too long to review it. And it's been open, and I can still, it smells like ramen. It also smells like Funyuns, which is kind of weird to me. But hey, it's very spicy smelling. This is what it looks like. Ooh. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, 6 servings per container, about 13 pieces per serving, 130 calories, 6 grams of fat, 18 carbs, 2 grams protein. Wow, I never knew Funyuns had so much protein. Okay, the iconic zesty flavor of crispy Funyuns meets the savory, hot, and spicy chicken ramen flavor with a fiery kick from Maruchan. Or Maruchan, or whatever you say, a hot collab that will get your taste buds in a spicy mood. And our ex-roommate Larry, he used to mix Funyuns with his ramen, so he already knows what this tastes like. So, nonetheless, here we go. That is weird. Not a Funyun fan. I am a ramen fan. I got a tea from my favorite place. This is pina colada, sugar-free, caffeine-free, from Kendo's Street Sips here in Tucumcari. I had lunch today with my mother-in-law, so. Ooh. Okay. These are a little spicy. A little. It's like, too bad I'm not great with editing and stuff and graphics. I could have a little spice meter here, like Taco Bell packets or something. And you're like, it's a medium. It's like while you're eating it, it's like the mild. And then it becomes kind of almost a medium. It makes me want to sneeze, man. Ugh. If you ever get like that, some spices make you want to sneeze. But, okay. Not a lot of Funyun taste, but definitely the Funyun texture. It is a little spicy. It does taste like ramen. So, 9 out of 10 there for the flavor simulation. I personally not a Funyun fan, so I'm going to try not to hold that against it. I'm going to give it, like, would I get this again personally? No. Okay. Would my stoner buddies get this again? Yes. Okay. So, like, personally, me, I'd probably give it a 3. But this is not for me. I'm gonna give it a 5, okay? Because, like I said, I'm trying to be nice. No, it's got a good flavor. The texture is weird for me, but that's why I don't like Funyuns that much. But it really does taste like ramen, like the flavor-wise. So, you know, I'll give it a 9 for the flavor. And I'll give it a 5 because it is Funyun. But anyways. But if you like Funyuns and you like ramen, give it a try. The sodium's kind of high. Well, no, it's not that bad. 6% per serving. Not horrible. But nonetheless, it's really good if you like Funyuns. The flavor is on point for the ramen. Like, honestly, if I liked Funyuns, these would probably get a 10, okay? But it's just the texture is kind of weird to me. So, yeah. This is gonna go to the boys. But I did want to try it, and I tried it. So there we go. Would you try this? Have you tried it? What did you think? Okay, so till next time, stay humble, stay kind, look out for the normal people. Later.